For these steps you need an Altec cleaning wipe. Open the label printer with the green buttons on the sides. Remove the ink ribbon waste roll and place it on the ribbon supply cover. Get a cleaning wipe from its packaging. Clean the print head from left to right with the cleaning wipe. Clean the white label guide bar all around. Now clean the feed roller and turn it with both thumbs to clean it completely around. Place the ink ribbon waste roll back in the ink ribbon waste supply hub and close both ink ribbon covers. Close the top cover of the printer.